sa atin para maka-advance tayo sa next stage.
Ito, pinapakilala na ang ating mga paboritong.
So nakikita mo nagwa-warm up na, medyo full concentration ng laro natin diyan sa FIBA. And you can see na I was telling you, as you take a look at their lineups and some of the players.
All bets on sports. What is fair? Huge winnings. What is fair? High odds. What is fair? Fast pay. What is fair? What is fair? Bookmaker Company.
Ready mula sa Team Pilipinas. Norwood from the corner opens up the scoring with a long bomb.
Isa na yun. Pangalawa, kukunti ang tao. Karamihan siguro sa atin pa yan.
In a big tournament, tanda natin, 2013-2014, siya po yung naging leader sa ating shot clock. Gabe between the legs with a pull-up. Steal na naman ni Maverick. Ahanmisi with a breakaway. Second silver medal back in 2013, when he was the 13th man of that.
This is a nice cut.
Tinamaan pa nga sa
mukha, but he was able to keep his composure.
Van Hardinger to the cup. Scoring is Steve Ubra. Offensive rebound nga lang. Ututin ni Rustler.
And that's gonna be a...
Wag lang sa round robin ang tree here. As Eram will put it up against the shot clock. Ito yung bailout, Excellent angle there. Back over to Lee for the long three. Paul misses sa ilalim.
If you look at the lineup that we started with, mid-movements, hindi sila nauupo.
Moving in on Yergali as James Yap will make his much-awaited return. Yap isolated on the right side. Yergali bantay. Doesn't trouble.
Naku.
But he rakes up for it. James Yap with a big Chu gives it up. Here comes Yap. James knows.
He was gonna try to dunk this. Ayun, nakuha ni James from behind. And it resulted.
Ito rin ng Kazakhstan na minamalas na bigla ang Team Pilipinas. Kicks it out. Here's James from deep. Finally, para kay Yap.
Already given there. Naku.
Ayan na nga si Yergali. Maaga na naman tayong mape-penalty nito. Just like in the... Chu is open.
Hindi nyo kilala ito,
Chris buries that three. Back out. Yap hit a three earlier. This time, inilapit the one-hander. Una ni James is up and in. Yun yung sa akap shooting kasi ganito nga sa FIBA game, di ba? Nauna yung bila. Chu to James for the long one. In and out. Azim. Actually, offensive rebounder lang nila yan. As James.
When you go to the bench, you can see the movement is very limited. Kaya nung binigay yung nice move.
Very sneaky inside. Sa pass to Eram.
Yes, sir.
JB buries that three. Take it away. Ahanmisi with another steal. Belga all the way. Gets the basket. Mikas enough on it to finish it. Gusto nyo pong panoorin ito mamaya sa mas malaking screen nyo pagdating nyo sa bahay. Alas 7 ng love the handles on this man. Stan gets that basket to drop.
Oops. Counter steal naman dahil medyo nawala sa... Oops. Into the path of Stanley to prevent him to go after the ball after... But this was an...
Ursa Galiev falling on Stanley Pringle.
Take a look at that. Yan, binangganan niya yun Foul na yun Tapos para bang
at that line.
Penalty yun Kaya nga na small man like Pringle, he's shooting on the inside. Madami pa.
Pringle from the outside punches it through. Go Belga from Steph Country. Akala ko si Jim.
It's a little over 30 after the first quarter. But we've given them 18 free throws. He was barking orders before. Medyo yung sinasabi ko now, they have a 3-2 shot when you're open.
Sigulin with that hit.
Yes, there is Chris Chu.
Gives it to Lee. To James for the three.
May foul yun.
Laro. Ayun Pagkatapos ngayon, sa 21 pa.
Swerte rin tayo dahil sa grupo natin. 4 tayo.
Inaatake nila, depensa. Chris. Outside shot is delivered.
Rush on that shot.
Here we go at the other end. Beautiful. Yun yan. no? Perfect.
Dito kumbaga sa ano eh, hindi niya makuha yung buwelo pa niya.
Got the Chu who locates Yap. On the move, James took some contact, got the bat. Yap from Lee. Sit up. Stan Hardinger looking to go wall to wall with a sidestep. Beauty. Cease.
Nakita mo yung lahi nilang may mga puti, may iba Chinese. Medyo yun ang malapit na.
7 and 5 rebounds para dito kay Christian. Yan, kahit sino kumahawak ng ating national team, ano? Anybody you like?
Again. Oops, nandiyan ang depensa. Okay, dito ako titira sa kabila. Oh, no?
Ayaw masundukan eh. Norwood.
The whole TB5, they have a lot of people going. Oh, N1 yun.
Yun, Jordan Clarkson is in the building. Pringle. Down the middle, drops it off. Rock and roll with a big finish. You see that extra snap in their step right now. Victory in only 2 games that are guaranteed sa tournament na to sa 8.
Natalo tayo sa Kazakhstan. They had 23 points, we had 20. Yao Ming.
Sa lineup na ito.
Yeah. N1 ba?
At least ang good news dun, baka mag-bounce back naman. Low average. Sprinkle one more time.
Kasi Pringle, I guess, very solid. He's a pretty good defender.
Polly, isa sa mga paborito niyang kalaban ng China din. You gotta remember those 3 na mahuhusay na coach sa Pilipinas.
Well, tingnan mo, point guard siya, may tira sa labas, may saksak. Tingnan mo yung maglalaban itong China at Kazakhstan para mapanood nila. Yun ang importante.
Yun, no? Does it work? Rock and roll! Working double time!
N1. Yung balik niya kanina, wala rin siya eh. May tinira pa siya doon na bumalik.
Lee finally!
When you defend.
Back-to-back threes para dito. Dala dito kay Clarkson. Naglululuto pa si Jordan Clarkson sa likod ng pitch, di ba?
Dito sa 2018 Asian Games.
And Dr. J. Asaki. Papakilala kayo dahil nung huling nakita natutukan ni
Body language, ganadong-ganado. Ito si Polly, sumobra.
Splash uncle, splash father para dito kay Asi. And ito si Paul Pinak. Sechu that has held Team Pilipinas together. Gabe gets it to the rock.
N1 pa. Magkaroon ng open play.
James inside to Christian.
Look at this setup. What ito?
James na din dyan.
But yun ang nagiging problema natin pag yung if we have to money. Ba, ito ba isa? Oh, nadali rin.
Para kita ulama. Ang may kasalanan na pag ganun, minsan yung kakampi mo, hindi sinabi, no? Peak left, peak right.
Pero 12 conversions. Ito talagang hindi umaayaw ito si dahil malaki ng lamang.
20 lang yan eh, back in the first half. Team Pilipinas. The veteran Asi Taulava leading the post-game huddle at center. So take a look at the leading scores at the end of this game. Pringle with an explosive.
Play ball, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.